Year 7, greetings. Welcome to a heath in the south of England. Why am I on a heath? Well, this is similar to the environment in which the first scene of Macbeth takes place. That's the scene of the three witches. And we're going to summarise that scene and the scene that follows it. But first, I need to let you know that the play takes place not in the south of England, here, but up in Scotland. Where exactly in Scotland? If I rotate the camera, I'll be able to show you. At the centre bottom of the screen is a place called Inverness. That's where Macbeth lives. He'll be promoted soon to the place called to become a lord of a place called Cawdor, which is over a few miles over to the east, and further east is a place called Forres, which is also the stage to a few more scenes in the play. So Macbeth takes place in Scotland in around the 1200s. If I can zoom out, I can show you just how far away we are from England. There it is. England versus Scotland. So scene 1 introduces three witches. The first witch asks her friends when the three of them will get together again, and they suggest meeting in thunder or lightning or rain, because, as you know, witches can control the weather. And the third witch says, we'll meet again when the battle's lost and won. So we know that there's going to be some sort of conflict. And they also say we'll meet when the hurly-burly's done. The hurly-burly is a sort of dance. So we know that these three women are rather mischievous, and they're going to treat life and the characters they meet as if they're partners in a dance, pawns in a game, people to be manipulated. Let's go on to scene 2, which takes place on a battlefield. The battle's just finished. This is an army captain on the right-hand side, and he has a friend of his called Malcolm. Now, Malcolm is the prince, and his father is receiving a battlefield report, because his father, the king, I should say, is receiving a report that Malcolm was rescued, having been a hostage during a battle, and the captain says that Malcolm was rescued thanks to an extremely brave Scottish soldier called Macbeth. And the captain goes on to explain how Macbeth sliced his way through several of the enemy and turned the fortunes of the battle, which looked desperate for them, into their favour. And the king naturally is happy to hear that, and goes on to reward Macbeth handsomely for his efforts.